That's crazy. Pressure.
Who's on demo?
Have you ever had any windshield issues?
Yeah, this is like the third one. You do a handshake for me?
Door open better? Okay, I'll shut it. A little more pressure. Getting a little warm, I can feel it.
Wow. Who's on demo?
Yeah, that's crazy. They're handling it. Are these the 3 or 4-inch coils? Threes, okay. You like it?
Yeah.
Nice.
They break it in more.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
They was a little bit smelly because they were fresh and I never demoed them.
Yeah.
And now you can see they getting warm.
Getting better X-Max?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Jadius, and I got 8 3.9 Neo 15s on 4 DD M8000s.
4 of them, wow. So that's 2 per?
Yeah, I had half on me.
Okay. Nice. Wow. Insane. How much lithium and alternator?
I got 180 amp hours C-Max in the back, and I got 2 Brand X 300s
okay.
in the front.
Wow. Who built the box?
Zach Pope.
He did a good job. Wow.
I'm gonna give you one with doors open.
Okay. So you can demo doors open or closed?
Yeah.
Have you ever had any windshield issues?
Yeah, this is like the third one.
As long as you ain't clipping, you can run them, so you're doing good, man. That's awesome. Very specific question, I'll leave you alone. You know your sealed section size, roughly?
Well, I know the box is 3 to 1.
3 to 1, okay. So it's probably around, what, maybe 2 cubes per sub or something like that sealed, you don't know? It just gets down good, so. I'm gonna go look at the back and all that. Woo. Wow. Can I come in? Can I come in? All right. Door open better? Okay, I'll shut it. A little more pressure. Wow.
You want to do a handshake for me? Somebody?
I just bought a plain watch, but it cost a billion. I'm just getting money. Alright, let's not get every penny. 20 pointers in my mouth, a shout out to my dentist. I just did a meet and greet and signed a ballin', I get every penny. 20 pointers in my mouth, they shout out to my dentist. I just did a meet and greet inside a couple hits. If a nigga fuck, tell them get up out they business, baby. Turn the bill down. Honey, it ain't no sweet.
Smell a little bit, dude. That's crazy. A lot of pressure. Woo. Wow. Thanks, Your Highness. That was awesome. Subscribe for new builds every week and use discount code JacobViral